Vivo has announced the new V40 SE smartphone recently, and based on the latest leaks and rumors, we can conclude that they are very close to launching the future Vivo's V40 SE series in the coming months. I would like to begin by saying that after the successful launch of the V30 series, now it is time to meet the new Vivo V40 SE with more advanced features and technology, which will continue to carry on the successful legacy of the V30 series. Currently, a huge fan following of this series is eagerly awaiting the launch of the series in 2024. Powering the future Vivo V40 SE is one of the best-known and fastest Snapdragon 695 chipsets and an octa-core CPU to deliver amazing performance. Moving on to the other side, the new Vivo V40 SE's 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal memory, or there might be an dedicated memory card slot, will expand the memory of the phone in the future. The upcoming Vivo's V40 SE is expected to arrive with a large 6.67-inch AMOLED capacitive processor, CPU, octa-core chipset, Snapdragon 695 GPU, Adreno 619 display technology, AMOLED capacitive touchscreen multi-touch, size 6.67 inches. Resolution 1260 by 2800 pixels, for 60 ppi. Extra features 120 Hz, HDR10+. Memory built-in 256 GB built-in, 8 GB RAM. Card no touchscreen supporting the HD Plus resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels, HDR10+, and a smooth refresh rate of 120 Hz. For camera lovers, it carries a triple camera system that consists of 64MP